Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about methods and functions in Java. In this module, we'll learn about what is a method, needs of a method, method declaration, method signature, method prototype, and method call. Now, the first question which comes to our mind when we see this topic is, what is a method and why we actually need a method in Java? To begin with, methods are a group of statements which are executed to perform a specific task. Methods are also known as functions. Now, why we need a method? Using a method, we can write the code once and reuse it by simply calling it wherever we need it. It helps us in solving complex problems by hiding the low-level details. Now let us learn how to declare a method. Here in this example, we have defined a method named max with the parameters as int x and int y. You see the first line of the code is public int max int x and int y. Public is a modifier or the access specifier, int is a return type, max is the method name, and int x and int y are the parameter list or the arguments. Now, let us understand each term in detail. In general, a method declaration has the following components. The first one is the modifier or the access specifier, which tells us from where the method can be accessed in your application. There are 4 types of access specifiers, namely public, protected, private, and default. The return type, it is the value returned by the method. If the method doesn't return anything, it will be void. Method name is a name defined by the user. Parameter list or the argument list is the input parameters that are defined along with their data types separated by commas. Exception list, we will learn about this later. And method body is the body of the method or the function definition where the actual task is performed. Now, let us see what is a function prototype. A function prototype is the first line in the function definition that tells the program about the type of data returned by the function and the number and type of argument. As for example, in the previous one, int max, int x, and int y is a function prototype. Now, the function signature is a related term. Function signature basically refers to the number and type of arguments. That is, in the previous example, max, int x, int y is the function signature. Please note that in function signature, we do not mention the return type. Now, let us see how to call a method. See the block of code on the left hand side. It has a class named main. The main class has 2 functions, main function and a my function function. We all know that the program execution will start from the main function. Inside the main function, it will encounter a function called my function. Once it encounters the my function, the execution branches off to the my function method and executes the body inside the my function. After the body of the my function has been executed, it again returns back to the original state and executes the next statement after the my function in the main method. Here are some exercises for you. Solve them out, and if you have any doubt, please clarify. Thank you.